Now this machine is a laser welding machine, and the machine has 4 functions: welding, rust removing, cutting, and weld bead cleaning. And now we are going to show you the welding function. Okay, now the material we are going to weld is 2mm stainless steel. And we can see the welding a little, yeah. And the welding now is clean and solid and continuously. Also, the welding speed is very fast, compared to traditional welding technology. Besides stainless steel welding, it can also weld carbon steel and also aluminum.
So this machine can weld stainless steel and aluminum.
Yes, and also iron.
Iron also.
Iron, yes. Now.
So any ferrous metal?
Sorry, yes, it's okay. But brass and copper is difficult.
Brass and copper no.
Copper no, because it's high reflective. Okay, now the cutting is stainless steel. See, the cutting is clean and smooth. Hot. What we are going to show you the function is weld bead cleaning. For example, after welding, the weld bead is oxidized. Is quite the color is not bright, and now we are using the laser torch to scan it and clean the weld bead. Okay. Compared to before the cleaning, you can see it is quite clean. Okay. This is a weld bead cleaning. Even before welding, if the material is not clean, we can first clean the material and then do the welding. Okay. So we also call it a pre and post welding cleaning. Okay. Now we are going to show you the function of rust removing. Okay. That's the laser welding 4-in-1, 4 functions: welding, cutting, weld bead cleaning, and rust removing.